Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a wish list on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a wish list on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, in order to make a wish list on Temu, first you'll be required to save some items in order to create a wish list. So to do that, guys, first navigate to one of the favorite products of yours on Temu which you want to save on your wish list on Temu. So to do that, guys, I'll be just searching for a jacket for men or for some kind of demo. So after searching, let's open up the product space. And after opening your product space, by tapping on them, guys, do similarly for your product. Go to your product space like this, and when you land over here, scroll down, and if you scroll down, guys, you'll see the comments over here. Just below the comments, you can see the product details available for us, and you'll be required to tap on the save button just beside the product deals. So let's tap on the save button beside the product deals over here, and after tapping on saved, guys, it says, you can see it says save to wishlist. Now when you save an item or product on Temu, it will automatically be added to your wishlist, and a wishlist will be created. So let's add another product. For example, this was a jacket. Let's go with the glasses, this one, and let's scroll down to the product details just below the comments, and you can see the save button available for us at the right side of it. Tap on save button at the right side of product details, and it will be added to your wishlist as well. So let's go back. And when you land on the home interface, in order to check our wish list, at the bottom of the screen you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and if you swipe up a little bit, you can see currently we are on the browsing history. This is the browsing history but guys, if we tap on the wish list just beside the browsing history and tap it again, you can see the two items we have just added to our wish list. By saving these products on the product page, guys, we'll be adding them to our wish list, and that wish list will be created automatically once we have saved that item. And with that being said, guys, this is how to make a wish list on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.